our spectacular campsites on the most remote of tracks, to the workshop and everything in between. Your next episode of Great Off-Road Adventures is just seconds away.
Hey guys, it's Graham from Great Off-Road Adventures here. I have a massive announcement to make, so without any further ado, let's get stuck straight into it. I'm going to the Perth 4-Wheel Drive and Adventure Show. Now how cool is that? Before I get into the details of it, I want to say a massive thank you to Lifestyle 4-Wheel Drive. They're the guys that have got the stand on the show. They sponsor Great Off-Road Adventures and they offered me the opportunity to bring the car down, put it on display, work on the stand myself, give you guys, my viewers, my supporters, the opportunity to come down and meet me and check out the car. So that's how it's come about. Now, the important details for you guys to note are the following. It's the Perth 4-Wheel Drive and Adventure Show at McCallum Park, which is the one on the edge of the Swan River, the south side. It's running from the 9th to the 11th of November, the Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Lifestyle 4-Wheel Drive are situated on site 246 under the shade of the trees near the food court. So that's where you can find the car, it's where you can find me. Now there's going to be a bunch of cool stuff happening throughout the 4-Wheel Drive show across all the stands. There's obviously going to be a bunch of cool stuff happening on the Lifestyle stand as well. So this is what I have planned, and then I'll fill you in on what Lifestyle have planned. So as I said, I'm going to the 4-Wheel Drive show so that you guys, my viewers, my supporters, have the opportunity to come and meet me, chat to me about what happened this year, 2018, chat to me about what's planned for 2019, talk to me about modification on the car. All of you out there that have been asking me photography questions, trip planning questions, if you can, make it to the 4-Wheel Drive show. I'll give you the information in person. If you can't, don't stress. Those videos are coming. They're in the pipeline. I'm producing them and making them at the moment. I'm also going to be selling some merchandise at the 4-Wheel Drive show. So if you guys want a Great Off-Road Adventures sticker or a Great Off-Road Adventures stubby cooler, there'll be a small fee or small cost associated with them. But come on down, grab one, show your support for the channel, get a bit of merchandise to show off to your mates. I'm going to let you in on a secret as well. The car's undergone some modifications very recently. There's going to be a few more happening between now and the 4-Wheel Drive show. So if you're following my car build and you want the inside scoop, make sure you come down to the 4-Wheel Drive show, check out what those modifications are. It'll be the first time that they're released outside of my family and friends. Yeah, come on down and check it out. I know some of them are definitely going to be really cool and definitely going to turn heads. So let's duck around to the back of the car quick and I'll fill you in with what Lifestyle 4-Wheel Drive have planned for their stand. So Lifestyle 4-Wheel Drive obviously put together a really cool stand. It's going to be a heap of 4-Wheel Drive products down there. So if you're looking for some gear for your car, perhaps you got some modifications in mind, come on down, come and check it out. There's obviously also going to be some product representatives there. So if you've got technical questions about some gear that you want for your car, they are the best source of information because they work with the gear all the time. And I'm sure that they're going to be there doing their best to help you out. Now, Lifestyle 4-Wheel Drive are also running a raffle throughout the weekend of the 4-Wheel Drive show. So this gear behind me is what's going to be raffled off. Let's run through it and then I'll tell you about it. So first prize, big box of Dynamat. Second prize is an iDrive throttle controller. And third prize is an 1100 kilo snatch strap.
Whoops, that should be 11,000 kilo snatch strap.
Which I gotta say, is just in time for the summer season, for going to hitting the beaches. And I'm throwing in a stubby cooler and a sticker with every prize, all right? So the way it's gonna work is, if you spend $50 with Lifestyle 4-Wheel Drive, at any point in time over the weekend, that's $50 or more. So if you're looking for a tire deflator or a compressor, a snatch strap, max tracks, whatever, or perhaps you're looking to do an all-out build on your car, bull bars, winches, lift kits, snorkels, dual batteries, all of that, As long as you spend $50 with Lifestyle 4-wheel drive throughout the weekend, you'll go into the draw to win one of these prizes, all right? The way that we're gonna draw it on the last afternoon of the 4-wheel drive show on my Facebook page. So there's this beautiful thing called live video. I've got to work out how to do it, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be simple enough. At 4 o'clock on Sunday afternoon, the last day of the 4-wheel drive show, we're gonna grab Steve, we're gonna get the big raffle bucket that has all your entries in it, and we're gonna raffle off, we're gonna draw the 3 lucky winners, all right? So come on down to the 4-wheel drive show, come and see us on Lifestyle 4-wheel drive, site 246. Spend a bit of money if you're looking for small goods or even large goods. Get yourself in the entry to win one of these cool prizes. Like I said, they've been generously put together by the team at Lifestyle and myself, and I'm hoping that you guys are going to get some good enjoyment out of them. So, look guys, great opportunity to come down to the 4-wheel drive show. Obviously meet me, check out the car, check out the Lifestyle 4-wheel drive stand, check out everything else that's happening at the 4-wheel drive show. I stand corrected here, but I'm pretty sure it's the biggest 4-wheel drive show in WA, and it's going to be really, really cool. So hopefully I'll see you there. If I don't, maybe I'll see you on your adventures. Maybe I'll see you on one of my adventures. Who knows? Happy safe adventuring, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.